Many of the retirees of the old Rivers State wey work for the Ministry of Finance don stage one peaceful we no go gree for the entrance of the Rivers State Government House to demand for their 4 years entitlement wey dem dey owe dem from 1995 to 1999 during the military administration of Dauda Musa Komo wey lay dem off but con dey later reinstated by the Peter Odili administration. Leader of the protesters, Vincent Ahmed Fuller, and one of the retirees for in talk with Tori people con talk say dem hope say with this directive from court, their entitlement go dey paid and say age no dey some of their side again as dem get health issues, but with this money dem go fit treat themselves.
We feel that this is our last bus stop. As it stands today, we have only come here that God has blessed us, that our governor is our colleague and he understands. And we believe with the grace of God and with the level of his understanding, this money which God has granted us to be paid will be paid. Most of us are now really highly stricken with age, and health is not on our side. But if this money is paid, it will go a long way to cushion some of our ailments.
Our commissioner for finance, collaborated with somebody. He went and brought Adena Kula as a contractor to do tax
revenue of the state,
to do internal revenue work, to do tax, to collect tax in the Rivers State. So when he came, what he was, the principle was using to collect the tax was not in consonance with the tax principle. We were forcing people to do like that. So we told him that the way the manner is doing is not so. We have a tax laws. So because of that, he was annoyed and compiled our name and sent to Governor Komo that Komo should remove our name, that we are thieves. That is why they removed us. We didn't do anything. Later, they said committee. They said committee. Civil Service Commission chairman was there. All of them were there, and they brought all our files. Most of them have no single query in our file. So because of that, they called us bad. That time, Bayelsa was with us.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.